Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the go-to store for innovative, crowdfunded tech products. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Jingoo bird. Very excited about this. It's a beautiful luxury item on Wiplabs.com and we've had it there since we started and it's just really a great item. So let's go. You open it up and it says, your very own singing bird. So cute. Oh, and it has this way of lifting it up so that it's like a bird cage. Well, it is a bird cage, but wow, it's pretty. Inside there are some directions, I guess, and a, a cleaning brush, I believe, a dusting brush. It's cute for the details. Oh, that's cute. Dusting brush. Right. Set that aside. And let's see. So one. So the Jingoo bird is a speaker, a wireless speaker, and a beautiful, just stunning object, and an ambient light. So here you can see, oh, say it like that. This is the white and gold version. The sound actually emits from several different places, so that it comes from inside the bird itself, and also from, there's a woofer on the bottom. There you can see the speaker there. So this is the white and gold version. We also have black and gold, cherry blossom, and white huame. Very pretty. The base is a wooden base, very nice wooden base. Has a couple of commands and some buttons. Has some rubber pads. Of course, the charging cable. The battery lasts for 15 plus hours and it can be hung like this where you like for a really nice ambient mood, or it can be sat on your desk. It's really a beautiful stunning object from a Taiwanese company, and let's turn it on and see how it works. All right, so we plugged it in. It has several little indicator lights. One when it's plugged in, one when you press the button to get the Bluetooth going. It has 3 settings for the brightness of the light. I don't know if you can see that, but you just click this little button. And when you pair it to Bluetooth, it makes this little pew, this little chirp sound. I have to say, when we were playing with it, there was a lot of like, oh. So it's really a beautiful little device. I'm impressed. I think, yeah, let's hear the sound. Maestro. It's got a clear, even sound. I made this face a lot, you know, like turn it up. It's a big sound. It's loud. It's really nice. The sound is even. So there you go. That is the Jingoo bird. Overall, a really beautiful product. You can tell that it's high quality. It gives you a feeling of just, you know, well-designed, attention to details, high quality. And I'm very impressed. It was a great opening experience. It's a great connecting experience. It's really well done. So my name's Natalie, and I hope to hear from you guys and see what you think about the Jingoo bird, what you think about the unboxing, if you've seen it before, if you like a different color. Let me know in the comments section below, and I hope to see you back in store soon.